So it's 40. Okay. Where is Bitcoin this morning?
I just got the futures at 43,380.
I think we're going to see 100,000 by the end of the year. I think we're going to see 50,000 by the end of the week. It's already catapulting it. I wouldn't chase it, but you get a little pullback here. You now have Musk. And every time, he's going to continue to tweet about it in all likelihood. So, he likes to talk, his positions there. So apparently, anyways, even before we know them, because he was talking about Bitcoin for the last month, and now we find out he took a position in it. It's actually very smart of Tesla. Because one, Tesla's a story stock, and now you combine it with the story of Bitcoin. And Tesla's not going to only be seen as, the EV play, the battery play, the solar play. Now it's going to be seen as a crypto play too. So you combine all those stories and you think, wow, this stock doesn't trade on fundamentals, it trades on story, and you just add a whole new story to it. I mean, really, $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to Tesla is next to nothing. You're talking about an $850 billion market cap company. $1.5 billion is nothing, but it's the story behind it. So even putting in perspective, I think there's like 970 million shares outstanding here. So you're talking about, slap it on, or how many shares? Let's grab how many shares are outstanding on Tesla before I just...
he's not the first one to do this. And I just pulled it. And I was talking all last week about, the consolidation, and they did sneak it over 40 on Saturday, and then they brought it back down. And now this news has us well over. But what's the company, MicroStrategy? I mean, they did this a long time ago. This with that MSTR.
Yeah, but that's a bigger portion. So MSTR is like a crypto play, because it's holding Bitcoins. A majority of MicroStrategy's money is in Bitcoin.
Correct.
Such a small portion of Tesla's money. So I'm just saying, it makes sense because he adds a story to it, but it really doesn't change anything on the bottom line or the top line. It just adds the story element. So when Bitcoin's ripping, you're going to see Tesla, some investors thinking that that's a play now, because $807 billion company at the close, 947 million shares outstanding. So we just tacked on, $20 billion worth of market cap here to Tesla. It just added $20 billion worth of market cap this morning because he bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. The math doesn't add up, but that's a genius move from Musk. If he's going to get that kind of move, I'd buy more Bitcoin again. And you watch it pop up again.